Welcome to my channel, 100 Pounds Down, where we preach the gospel of GLP-1 and the word is good. After a lifetime of obesity, I've lost 92 pounds by taking tirzepatide, aka Mounjaro, aka Zepbound, and I want you to join me as I head to the finish line. If you've been considering starting weight loss injections, you've already begun your journey, or you're heading toward that maintenance phase and wondering what comes next, bring it in. On this channel, we're going to talk about it all. How meds like Ozempic and Mounjaro work, the pros and cons, weird side effects, mental health, news, and more. And along the way, I'll share my own story and why I believe that this is just the beginning of a radical health revolution. Any opinions I give here are my own. I'm not sponsored by any drug companies. I'm just a woman who's lost weight for the last damn time, and I'm never going back. Last but not least, I know a lot, but I'm not a doctor, and I'm definitely not yours. You should always consult a medical professional before you ever adopt any kind of medication regimen. So hit that trifecta, like, subscribe, notifications, and I'll see you on the other side.